Here I have negative 19 minus 12. You can also change it to negative 19 plus a negative 12 if you want to use the leave, change method. And that would give you negative 31. But since it's in absolute value bars, our answer should always be a positive number. Here we can leave, change also. 10 plus 43 equals 53. And since it's an absolute value, our answer has to come out positive. Leave, change. Negative 1 plus 16 is positive 15, because the 16 is farther into the positives. And the absolute value of 15 is 15. Leave, change. 0 plus 9 is 9. Absolute value says you keep a positive number. So our answer here is 9. Negative 14.5 plus negative 13 moves us farther into the negatives. So we have negative 27.5 in absolute value means our answer comes out positive and we get 27.5. On the right side, leave, change. 19 plus 12 is 31. It's an absolute value, so we spit out a positive number. Negative 10 plus negative 43 moves us farther into the negatives. So we are at negative 53. And absolute value says your answer needs to stay positive. 1 plus negative 16 gives us negative 15 in absolute value. So our final answer comes out as a positive 15 because absolute value is a distance from 0, and we always measure distance as positive. 0 plus negative 9 is negative 9. Negative 9 is 9 away from 0. Leave, change. 14 and 13 make 27, and we have that half. Keep it positive, and we get 27.5. In 11, it says, describe any patterns that you see in the answers to the problems in the left and right-hand columns. Why do you think this pattern exists? So in the first one, they're looking at the distance between negative 19 and 12. And in number 2, they're looking at the distance between 19 and negative 12. So the distance between two numbers is the same, because our answers came out the same, as the distance between their opposites. And why do you think this pattern exists? If we think about the absolute value of negative 19 and 19, we get the same number. So we may say this is because opposites have the same absolute values.